Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Microsoft To Do for task management. So first you have to download and open Microsoft To Do. You can just sign in with your Microsoft account to sync your task across all your devices. So step 2, create your first task list. Here you can see new list at the bottom left on your desktop. You can now basically name your list here like personal goals, but everything is up to you. And then you can name this as work task also, and you can change the list color or icon to easily identify it later. So here you can add your task list. You can click add a task and type what you need to do. Let's just say, for example, if you want to add reminders, repeat, due date, if you want to add note, if you want to set category, change the color, everything is up to you. Also, there is this option here, which is the add steps. So basically, this one is like if you want to open a task and tap add step, this helps divide larger tasks into smaller, manageable parts. So basically that's it. You can add one, two, three, or as many steps that you want. Also, aside from that, there is this My Day feature. You can organize with priority and notes. You can mark important tasks with a star icon and then add notes or attachment for details and references. You can also sync across devices, integrate with Outlook and Planner, review completed tasks. So once you have complete this one, you can tap on the circle and it will show that you have completed this task. So tap or click the check mark beside the task when finished. Review your completed items in the completed section to track your progress. And basically, that's how easy it is to use Microsoft To Do for task management. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.